Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Mayan Gutierrez Bernardino. I am 26 years old from Echagia, Isabela. I am single and I have a living partner, and we are blessed with one child, ages 3 years old boy. I have one sibling, and I am the youngest in the family. I am a Roman Catholic, and my highest educational attainment is senior high school graduate. I am an honest, responsible, trustworthy, lovable, and hardworking person. I have a work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 2 years, since January 2024 to January 2026. I serve four members in the family, such as one couple and two children ages 2 years old girl and 4 years old boy. My main duties as a housemaid is to take care of the children, and I also do the household chores like ironing, laundrying, marketing, cooking, wash the dishes, and maintain the cleanliness of the house. Since mom, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, I am willing to be trained and willing to learn how to cook your favorite dishes like uh, Chinese food. And I can also take care of a newborn baby, offer a tutorial for your children, like teach them how to read and write, count numbers, nursery rhyme, and
Okay. Okay. Thank you. You're well prepared. And can I know more about yourself? If you come Hong Kong, who will take care of your 3 years old boy?
my mother,
Your mother will take care. How about your
yeah,
husband?
he
Your
has to
living
work.
partner. I see. Okay. For your working experience in Philippines, you stay in or stay out?
Stay in, ma'am.
Stay in. Okay. Can you tell
Yes.
me like what time you wake up? What is your daily routine?
I wake up 6 a.m. around 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. Then I do the cleaning, uh, cooking, laundrying, ironing. Then of course take care of the children.
Okay, if you need to send them to school, if they need to go to school, if you need to send them to school,
I'm with them, ma'am. I go to school with them.
okay, both of them, two of them, they need to go to school or only the 4 years old one?
Only the 4 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how about the 2 years old one? You bring her to go as well?
I bring him sometimes, ma'am.
Sometime, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you mentioned you can do tutoring, reading, and writing to the kid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you need to do it in Filipino, so you teach them English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know any nursery song? Can you show me?
Um, I'm gonna sing the nursery rhyme, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Very nice. Thank you. And you also mentioned that you are willing to learn Chinese food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Actually,
currently, can you do can you do Chinese food?
no, ma'am. I don't cook Chinese food, ma'am. But now I'm starting to learn. I'm watching like on YouTube.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
what
I'm
dishes you
saying
learn? What dishes you
um
watch? Mm.
like steaming. I also watch how to prepare food for baby mom in Chinese.
Mm.
Yes.
Like for example, what is the Chinese food for the baby?
I mash the potato like the vegetables, mom.
Mm. Mash them,
Yes.
okay. Okay,
Uh,
very nice. Do you have your own dog and cat?
yes, ma'am. I have dog and cats in the house. One dog, one
Okay.
cat.
Oh, very nice. So you can take care
Yes.
of pet as well.
Yes, ma'am. I love pets.
Okay, and you mentioned you can take care of newborn baby also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see. Can you tell me if you need to take care two kids in Hong Kong also, what will you do if they fight with each other?
I'm gonna let them calm. I'm talk to them calmly, then um figure them out if what is their problem, like that, ma'am. Then I will fix what's going on.
Mm, okay. So if the kid not listen to you, what will you do?
I comfort them, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. And what will you do if the kid feels sick, not feeling well?
Um, I'm gonna check the temperature, then um maybe bring them in the hospital, ma'am.
Okay. Will you inform the employer also?
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna inform the employer first, especially of taking the medicine. I'm gonna ask my employer first.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye bye.